Good evening, dear friends. Hope you all are good and having good time. Today we will discuss about 2022 bear market, which is very unique. But if we saw like crypto market and its trends in like last 5 years, if I remember, like in 2016, after Bitcoin touched around 16,000 or 17,000, its all-time high at that time, and it dropped, and in next 3 to 4 years it did not touch all-time high, right? And in 2020, end of 2020, and in 2021 it passed that all-time high, and it's like surpassed 20,000, and then 30,000, 40,000, 50, 60. And we have seen in like last couple of years there has been a couple of very good bull trends over there. There have been very good bull cycles, right? Now in 2022, what is like, if we see in the market, what we should do, which coin we should hold and which coin we should dilute, like to improve our DCA for other coins which are like we are expecting that it will be better in like next 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, whatever like crypto cycle we are holding, whatever crypto plans for our portfolios. Everyone have a different plan, right? So let's see few checkpoints which can help us to understand and give us our answers to address this 2022 bear market. I already made one video last month, and I will add link in the description as well for that, which is also like sharing about portfolio and its strategy for 2022. Further, just let's have a small recap, and then we will quickly move towards coin selection part. Whenever I like going to select any coin, I will divide into parts. One is its qualitative capability, and one is its quantitative capability. If we talk about qualitative capability, it includes its background, its architecture, its system on which the system or like this coin is standing, right? This is a coin, this is a token, but where it is standing. So it will give us idea after watching what is its ecosystem and architecture. Either it's a layer one, layer two, it's a proof of stake, proof of work, proof of authority. Like Matic is a layer two Ethereum scalability solution, right? It is giving us like very good like utility, or like it have a very good development plan, right? It's giving almost 150 million USD for gas fee saving, right? If we see Shiba, like it has a very good development plan. It is coming with Shibarium on layer 2 with Ethereum, right? And it like just saw in 2022 this bear trend, which like I will say which was the climax of this 2022 bear trend, while we saw the Luna collapse, right? So we have to see like such kind of things, and we have to keep getting knowledge about all the coins which either we are holding or we are going to catch up in like next few days or months. Second part, like if I talk about, that is quantitative capability of any coin. I have to see like this like some of the very good coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, ADA, Matic, even Shiba, Baby Doge. They have been listed on, some coins even listed on hundred of exchanges, right? If any coin that is listed around 25 to 30 list exchanges, so I will consider it is a good coin, right? Then I have to see like how much it's the holding capacity of this coin, like how many holders are there, and what is the market cap, which is the like confidence of the holders and the investors to keep that coin with them and hold for some like small duration or for long term, right? Like if we saw Shiba, like last year we have seen in start of year it was exploding every day, but after that like in quarter 3 till we did not saw Shiba swap, so it was a little bit slower at the slower end, but it proved itself, right? Because it has a very good community as well as development plan, and we are expecting another such kind of bull run for Shiba in like upcoming quarter 1, like next 3 months or maybe next 6 months, right? So these three or four things we have to see, like how many exchanges it is, what is like its daily volume, because daily volume will tell you about the like its community confidence, it is either backing it or not, and as well as if they are coming with some good use case or development plan. So this is like two things like we will see before deciding a coin. This video will be a little bit longer. I will try that I can wrap it up like quickly, but still it will be a little bit longer. So let's discuss which coin we should keep and which coin we should dilute or we should not hold in 2022 bear market. As per my understanding, I have divided these coins in like different groups. Some are stable, some are risky, some are very safe, some are like very risky, right? And we should keep holding percentage of each group of these coins. Like we should have some of safe and stable, some of very safe and stable, some of high risk and high reward, some of low risk and low reward. So whenever there is a bear or bull market, some coins exploded, and some coins they did not move any direction at all, right? So we should not collapse at all. Then we have to see if you are having big holding capacity like of 100k or 10k or 50k. Sorry, on the base of that we have to see like how which coins you should hold and which coin you should not, right? If you're having a capacity like you are a big holder and you have a good holding power, and or having small holding capacity, it doesn't matter, right? But like you have to see like if you can hold something for a couple of months or for a couple of years, because crypto market is very volatile, right? If you can hold something for 2 months, 3 months, do not put that thing in the crypto market. Market can be volatile and give you big trouble for liquidity time and can cause you huge losses. While you want, like, I want to dilute out of 100k, maybe 20 or 30%, and you come to know that you are in a bear trend, right? And your 100k is already like 70k or 60k. So even like maybe half than that, right? So it's already you are already in 50% loss. So you don't want to liquidate at that time. So you have to see, should decide that either you can hold some 10k, 20k for 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 10 years, whatever is your plan, right? So I divided these coins in different classes. These are just for a reference. Maybe you are agree or not, but that is only for example. You can make your own groups of coins, and you can do your own research, and then I will just give you example like how you can divide that, right? So let's discuss if you have a holding capacity of 20k to 100k or beyond that. So it's mean that you can having you are having a good holding power, right? You are a big holder in some coins, or in some coins maybe on a moderate level, but your holding capacity is good as per crypto. So you should having a good chunk of stable coins, I will suggest, right? Where your money will be safe, and in the parallel you should have small chunk of risky coins. In this way, in 2022, if you hold some stable coins and put them on staking and keep buying and keep accumulating stable and risky coin for next 2 to 3 years, you can double, or maybe you can touch up to 3 to 5 times of your portfolio in next 2 to 3 years. And if you want to hold for till 2030 or for next decade, so it can go up to 5 to 10 times, right? Because all these stable coins, they are already around 1 by fourth or 1 by fifth of their all-time high. And if you have some small chunk of risky, high risk, high reward coins, so some of them can explode and they can give you a very good uh, like uh, upward trend in your portfolio, right? So this is like my idea, that okay, you should have some big chunk from stable coins, some chunk from moderate coins, and some chunk, very small chunk, from risky coins. But if you having like less holding ability, right, so still you have a good chance in crypto market. You can accumulate you can hold up to 10K, and then you can decide, okay, how much time I should hold it, right? If you can hold it for 2 to 5 years or up to 10 years, it's all same, right? I will suggest you for the small holders that you should buy and hold some risky coins in I will say like risky group of coins in a like bigger chunk than stable coins, because if you hold all the stable coins, and like if we have a situation of 2017 to 2020 or 21, then maybe some 2 or 3 years your portfolio will remain same, right? And you start feeling desperate, and you will just move away from the crypto market, maybe in profit or in loss, right? So if you're having good chunk of risky coins and some of the stable coins, keep it over there, of course. So in next 3 to 5 years, maybe some of the risky coins that will be vanished from the market, right? Maybe some 30 to 40% in next couple of bull and bear cycles, while we will face some of the bear cycles. Some of these risky coins will automatically vanish, while some of like 20-30% will explode 10 to 100 times, right? So which can give your portfolio a good direction, and you can enter from a small portfolio to a moderate or maybe a bigger portfolio in terms of crypto. So like these are the examples, like okay, if you have a small portfolio, just keep a little bit, maybe you can divide your, or you can diversify your investment in crypto, and keep a little bit more from high risk group, and keep some less from stable and low risk and low reward, because low risk low reward, high risk high reward. This is like principle in every market, and in crypto like percentage of reward and risk is a little bit different, but principle is same. So these examples of groups and coins is just for reference. You can make your own groups, and I will suggest you can do some research for all the coins which you have or you are going to like put in your portfolio, right? Put them in the stable and risky groups, and then start investing based on whatever your portfolio. Either you want to go more in stable or you want to go more in risky. Both are your decision options. That's all from my side. I guess that I have given you very clear idea that how to proceed in 2022 bear market, and in such bear trend we can use this like situation as an opportunity for our current portfolio and for our upcoming years. I think that's all. Thank you. Take care. Goodbye.